Adding a new post. Login. Access your WordPress admin dashboard by entering your login credentials. Navigate to Posts on the left-hand menu. Click on Posts. Add New. You'll be taken to the Add New Post page. Here's what you'll see. Title. Enter the title of your post in the provided field. Content area. This is where you can write and format your post's content using the WordPress block editor. You can add text, images, videos, headings, and more. Categories and tags. You can categorize your post to help organize your content. Tags provide more specific descriptors. Featured image. This is the main image associated with your post. It's displayed on the post's preview and sometimes on the post itself. Save draft. To save your work without publishing, click this button. Preview. See how your post will look before publishing. Publish. When you're ready, click Publish to make your post live. Publishing options. Clicking the Publish button will open options to publish the post immediately, schedule it for a future date, or set it as a draft. Editing an existing post. Login. Access your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to Posts from the left-hand menu. Click on Posts. Select the post, hover over the post you want to edit and click the Edit option that appears. Edit content. You can edit the title, content categories, tags, and featured image just like you did when adding a new post. Update. After making your changes, you can either click Update to save your changes without changing the published date, or you can use the Schedule option to update the content and set a new publishing date if needed. Remember, the specifics might vary slightly based on your WordPress version or any plugins you have installed. If you're using the classic editor or a different block editor, the general process remains quite similar. Feel free to ask if you need further assistance or have more questions about working with WordPress.